I promise I'm better now.
What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, hi, I'm Havy and I'm so happy you're stopping by today's video. I hope you'll stick around and subscribe. On my channel, I love sharing lots of cleaning motivation, homemaking videos, lots of mom life videos, and then I love sharing lots of home decor and specifically seasonal decor. And in today's video, as you can see, we're going to be tackling this disaster of a mess. This is just real life. This week has been incredibly busy. I'll get into more of that as we kind of go along today's video. But in today's video, we're just picking up this messy house. I have Waverly with me, and we're just going to get this house nice and reset and back to normal. There was a million other things that I needed to be doing instead of cleaning my house, but I knew if I didn't do this would just be completely terrible, and I just needed to get it done. So I'm starting out with making the bed, and then we're just going to slowly work on different parts of the house until we get it all nice and clean, because we have a lot to do today. So I hope you're ready for some good motivation. Prop me up somewhere, or if you're just needing that motivation, sit and relax and watch, and then you can go ahead and get the cleaning done after. But let's go ahead and get started with today's video.
I've got 30 minutes if you want to spill your mind. Give me all your reasons to why I should take my time. Used to have forever, but you never cared that much. Just tell me why I should give you more than a goodbye.
Okay, so I started with my bed because I knew that area could get nice and clean super fast, and then I could move on into another task. And I really needed to do laundry. We are going camping this weekend, and so I needed to make sure all of it was on top of it, because I also had to wash like bedding and things to go camping. And so I started out with Waverly's clothes, and I was about out of stain remover, so I did go and get some after this video, but it was a pain in the butt to get that all removed, but that's okay. We got her load started, and I will have to do another load. And then I also changed her sheets too. You'll see that in just a minute, and added that into the wash. I was like, I need to wash those, and this is the perfect timing because it is her clothes.
As friends, do it again, do it again, do it again. I trusted you once, but I won't do that again.
Waverly really wanted me to put this little hat on her. She always likes to put it on there, and then she'll take it off and put it back on, and I totally put it over her eyes. But I figured while I was in here, I might as well just get this area nice and clean, so that way that's just one more room that's off the list. And I totally didn't even get to the bathroom in today's video, and it really needs done. I was hoping that this week's video would be my bathroom deep clean of like going through all of the stuff, decluttering, organizing stuff, but it was just busy, and I knew there was no way I was going to be able to get that video done and uploaded by the time it needed to. So this is just a real life, just how it was for me. And there's sometimes that I can stay good on a good schedule of cleaning, and other days it's just like get as much as you can done, and that's really all you can do. And that was just one of those weeks, because over the weekend, I filmed this on a Tuesday, and this has just been crazy like so far. But over the weekend, well, the previous week, I had spent all week getting all of my fall decor all up, so I still had remnants from all of that, as you saw probably in the befores. Right now I'm just cleaning up the living room, tidying it up, getting it clean, wiping stuff down. I wasn't doing anything major deep cleaning on this day. I was just trying to get my house back to like livable and less overwhelming. So I had remnants of fall decor because I still need to do some decorating that I have to just have time for, and I just haven't. So I needed to kind of organize that and get that all put together. And then I also had all of my winter clothes that I usually like transition, and I'm starting to get that ready too. be all moved because it is going to be starting to get a little bit colder in the next couple of weeks, and I'm not going to be needing like sandals and shorts as much. So that's what the other containers are for. You'll see it in a minute. But I had all of that, and then I will go on into more of the detail in a minute, but for now we are just finishing up this living room.
Lights are shining bright. My friends are in the club. We'll go all night. I see you in the back. The mood is right. If I just had your number, I would let you know how I feel. You walk up to me, start dancing to the music and the chase. Like this was meant to be. Take my hand, I feel my heartbeat, and I don't want this moment to stop. Time to go home. Don't want this night to end. Yeah, about time we stop pretending. Come home with me. Let's write a history. Tonight I'll make.
So as you can see, this is kind of the disaster. I have a few things that need to go up in storage of like Waverly's clothes that don't fit her, and then my clothes that I'm slowly transitioning, so I just put that in my room for now. And then this is all of my decor that is like regular everyday decor, but with my seasonal decor I don't have room for it, so I just need to put that up in storage. I need to get another container too for that, but I also have all of my fall decor that I still have and I want to keep down basically the whole season, so I'm putting it in these cube organizers, and I might even try to get like a little small container for it too. But that way, as I'm decorating and finishing up stuff, I can see my decor that I still have extra and be able to use it then. So we're just getting this whole table clean because that was something that was really overwhelming because I had so many like different things. I just had a lot, I feel like, going on, and you can see Waverly eating her little snacks. I was trying to entertain her. She was, because I think we left her a lot of Monday, she was very clingy this day, but I was like, I need to get so much done. It's so hard when you have those days. If you're a mom, you probably can relate. But Saturday night, my husband was looking at Facebook Marketplace, and we've kind of been like tossing around the idea of getting me like a new car, like a mom car, just more of an SUV. We live out in the country, and in the winter, we get a ton of snow and drifts, and my car does like pretty well for where we live, but we just wanted something a little bit bigger. So we were just kind of like looking, and if we found something, great. Well, my husband found a car Saturday night, and he was like, I think this would be a really good car. And I was like, I think I would really like it. Here's a sneak peek of what it kind of looks like. But we were like, oh, like, I don't know, because it was like 3 hours away. And of course they were closed Sunday. So my husband was like, okay, I'll call Monday morning. I'll see if it's still there. We'll see if it's in like good condition, because in the pictures it looked really good. So when he called, they were like, yeah, that looks good. We made an appointment, and we drove 3 hours away, left Waverly with her grandparents' house, and we went to go see if we wanted to buy this car. And we ended up buying it, and I love it. It's an Acadia, and I love the interior of it. I'm sure one of these days you guys will get a car cleaning video and be able to see it. But I absolutely love it. I'm so excited to just have a little bit bigger of a vehicle, and it's going to be nice to just be able to put more things in the back, because I feel like we always have like the stroller and then groceries, and so it's just nice to have something a little bit bigger. So with that, we got home probably after midnight, and we didn't get to bed probably until like closer to like 1:32, I think. I can't remember exactly. So I had left all of this out because I had moved everything on Sunday, because we knew that we were potentially going to be driving 3 hours away, and I didn't want to do it Monday. So I had everything that was in my car into the living room. I mean, not the living room, but mainly the kitchen. So that was a disaster. I had the vacuum in there because we were just trying to hurry. We're also getting ready for camping, so we have just messes everywhere. So I finally put everything back in my car, and it's organized. I think I want to get like a little basket for the back of my car, because then I can keep like my extra blankets and then any other random stuff, like maybe an extra outfit for Waverly. So maybe you'll see like a car organization video, but for now, we're just gonna go ahead and leave it how it is. And right now I'm just cleaning the kitchen, and I'll let you kind of just hear some music for a minute and not hear me chat for just a little bit.
It's all about us. It's all about us. As we're dancing close together, making out. It's all about us. It's all about us. There's a magic in your eyes, can't get enough. I feel your hands, the way you're touching me around my neck. Got chills down my back, you do it right. The way you're holding me, no, I don't want this moment to stop. No need to fight it, I cannot hide it. We won't regret it, so come with me, maybe we're meant to be. A perfect melody, and I don't want this moment to stop. Time to go home, don't want this night to end. Yeah, about time we stop pretending. Come home with me, let's write a history. Tonight I'll make you see. It's all about us. It's all about us. It's all about us. As we're dancing close together, making out, making out. It's all about us. It's all about us. There's a magic in your eyes, can't get enough. I can't get enough. Oh, it's all about us. It's all about us. It's all about us. It's all about us. Time to go home. Don't want this night to end. Yeah, about time we stop pretending. Come home with me. Let's write a history. Tonight I'll make you see. It's all about us. It's all about us.
Over this past weekend, we also got Waverly little plates and little cups that she can start like drinking out of and using, because normally we'll just put her food on her high chair, and we know that she needs to get more acquainted with using plates. And then we also want her to be able to drink out of a cup, so that's been a little learning curve. She's just really good with like the plate. She'll occasionally try to like lift it up and try to get food like while holding it, and she can't quite figure it out, but she's getting that. She has to have it on the tray for it to like really be effective in her eat it. And then her cup, we're still working on it. We obviously don't do like that much water in it, but she loves ice in her water, which is funny that she's just like, ice in my water, please. But we just have to watch to make sure she doesn't pour it into her food, because that's what she likes to do. But we're almost done with getting the kitchen fairly clean, and then we're going to tackle these floors by just vacuuming the rugs, and then we're going to sweep and mop them. But yeah, I'm just overall really happy with my car, and I'm super happy that I got it. But when we woke up Tuesday morning, we had to basically get ready and go to work. So we didn't have any time to get the house cleaned or anything. And so now it's Tuesday afternoon. When I was cleaning and got home from work, I was like, we had to tackle this. And I really needed to be cleaning the camper, and I needed to be just getting like laundry done for camping, like the bedding and stuff like that, because my husband was taking our camper up with my dad on Wednesday. So it was just a lot, but it ended up working out. Me and my husband just cleaned the camper after Waverly went to bed that night, because we figured, well, I got scared once Waverly went to bed and my husband wasn't home yet, but I figured it was easier for us to just tackle it at the same time, because he had to get things running, and so I was just able to clean it with him, and it worked out great. But now we actually have more things that have entered into our house, because our camper kind of acts as like our little storage unit and like garage. Like we keep Waverly's little swimming pool, we keep like some of my husband's like hunting backpacks, we keep like outdoor things, like just random stuff that we don't want in our house because we don't have room, but we also don't have a garage, and so it kind of goes in there. So when we go to use our camper, it's a pain, and a lot of it actually is in my husband's pickup when we're taking it to our storage unit, where it is going to be at the end of the season. We don't need a lot of outside things, so that will be good when that is all taken care of. But overall, it was a really good weekend, and I'm happy with how it came, and it's really busy, I feel like, time for us, just with like fall approaching and just getting things ready. I feel like we've had just late nights, and we're gonna get ready to go camping for Labor Day, and I'm so excited. This is actually our first time camping this year, and our last because it's gonna get too cold. It's just been so busy. This summer has flown by, and I feel like we've been doing so much, but at the same time, it feels like we haven't done anything. You'll have to let me know if you were late. But are you guys doing anything fun for Labor Day, or are you guys just staying at home and just having a relaxing weekend? We're going to go ahead and just mop. I just wanted to do a Swiffer mop. I was like, I'm not in the mood to do anything crazy this day. We're just getting it done, so that way we can just feel like the house is reset and good.
We're soaring up high, got no clue. How do I know what I mean to you? Yeah. Say it out loud, spill the truth. Tell me how I'm gonna get close to you. Yeah. High and low, in between, acting out, make a scene. Working on our body language, working on our body language. Baby, now tell me exactly how you feel. I'm just trying to keep it real. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me exactly what you mean. You mean everything to me. Let me love you on the
If you guys have toddlers, you guys can relate. It's like when you clean something, you turn your head and it's another little mess, and it's like little tornadoes around the whole house. I feel like by the time I actually get done cleaning, I think I ended up cleaning the living room a few times just because I was trying to entertain Waverly with puzzles and her coloring books and snacks and all of that. And it ended up being clean. We were able to, once we got all of our cleaning done, I said, we're going to go outside, we're going to go on a walk, and we're going to play outside and keep the house clean for a little bit. And that was so nice. And she loved being able to go on a walk and see all of the animals, the birds, play with the rocks. That's her new favorite obsession, is picking up rocks. And she'll walk a little bit and then she'll put them down and then get new rocks. And it's so cute. I really wish that it was more summertime and we could paint rocks. I think that she would absolutely love doing that. And maybe if we do have a warm day, I can do that. But now we're jumping back into the laundry. I needed to I needed to switch the laundry and then put Waverly's clothes into the dryer and start another load of clothes. And then we'll go ahead and fold that other set of clothes too that I just took out of the dryer.
love you on the inside. Tell me you're lost, feel so blue. Leaving me on the spot, so confused. Oh baby, tasting so sweet, acting so rude. Won't you tell me what I'm supposed to do? Yeah.
We are just finishing up folding this laundry, and then that's going to be it for this video. Thank you guys all so much for watching. If you guys liked today's video, please give this video a thumbs up. Also leave me a comment of your September video requests, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it motivating. Whether you were sitting down and just watching it, you're able to have some company, or if you're cleaning along with me, I hope you're able to get motivation. And I just appreciate you guys all so much for being here, and I'm so thankful that you guys take time out of your day to watch these videos. They're so fun for me to make. But thank you guys all so much for being here, and I will see you guys all in my very next video. Bye, you guys.
High and low, in between, acting out, make a scene. Working on our body language, working on our body language. Baby, now tell me exactly how you feel. I'm just trying to keep it real. Let me love you on the inside.